Hi babes, welcome back to my channel. This is Darla Rose. Hi babes, how you guys doing? Oh my god, so I'm actually super excited. So my parents got me and my baby, so my parents and my little baby girl, they got me a Mother's Day gift, and I just received it right now, so I finally got it. So I don't really know what's in this Beautylish box. Right here it says Beautylish. I'm super excited to open it. I have never ordered from Beautylish. My mom has never ordered from them, so I don't know like how the packaging comes out or anything, but I'm so excited to open this, guys, because like I said, this is like my late Mother's Day gift. So I have no idea what is in this box, but I'm hyped. So let's just open it up. I cut this open just so I could be able to easily open it, but we're going to open this up. Ooh, Jeffree Star. Look at how pretty this packaging is. I hope I don't drop it, but look at it's Jeffree Star. So we're just gonna open this up right here. Oh, the wrapping paper is so sick. I don't even wanna, like, it's so like nice. Ugh, I wanna like, I'll show you guys in a bit how it looks. But so we got this Storm Cloud makeup sponge from Juno Company. It's a seamless results every time. So just a makeup sponge right here. Super nice, super pretty. Okay, I definitely have to try like some different sponges out, so I'm excited to try that out. I'm gonna make a little bit more room. We have this Beautylish Oribe Gold Lush Repair and Restore Conditioner and Shampoo. What are they trying to say? Let me find out. They know my hair ain't that good. No, I was kidding, but we got some of this for our hair. I actually love putting stuff in my hair conditioner wise, just because my hair is kind of dry, so I actually love like deep conditioning it or like putting oils in my hair. So I'm excited to try this out. I see the blood sugar in here. Sorry guys, I'm loud. I know. I mean, I'm just so excited. I don't have that many Jeffree Star palettes. I only have the Morphe Jeffree Star palette. The Morphe one, and I think, is it Jawbreaker? The Jawbreaker one? I'm trying to look, guys. I think I only have 2 palettes, eyeshadow palettes from him. And then I have a bunch of his highlighters. So we're just opening this up. Oh, this is like real fancy. I know this palette's old, but it's new to me and I'm hyped, so I'm super excited. Ah, look how fancy she is. Okay. This is so pretty. It's so pretty. I like the little clasps right here. They're cute. We're gonna open this up. She's cute. She's like heavy, like sturdy for sure. Oh wow, she's pretty. Hubba, that mirror size though. Look at that mirror size. Oh my god, and the colors are so pretty. Ooh, I like it. I like this color Cavity, like this hot pink. And then this shimmer right here is pretty. Oh, this red prick. Oh, so pretty. I love the mirror though. Like that mirror is perfect. Like you can see so good and so close up. Yes, I'm so okay. What else we got? Ah! Oh, we got the blue blood. Oh guys, I'm like cheesy. I'm so happy. Ah! Oh my god, his packaging though is so like beautiful. Like look at how this is. So you open it right here. It says blue blood, and then you open it and look where, there she is. Look, there she is. God, they're like sturdy. It says blue blood right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, or my lighting's too like light, but oh, she's so pretty. I like the little like right here. It has all blue. Oh my god, let's go close up and show you her. And like I said, that mirror size is gorgeous. Like, look how big that mirror is. Oh my god. And the colors. Oh my god. I love blue eyeshadows. Even though I have, like, sometimes I have trouble with them, I love blue eyeshadows. Oh my god. This blue right here, Deceased. Oh, gorgeous. And I'm cold. Oh my god. Ooh, Blue Monday is pretty. Ooh. I like this one because I love blues. Oh my god. Guys, look at how pretty. I'm super hyped now, guys, to be trying these out. Okay. And then, oh. Ah! Bloodless. Oh. I actually really wanted this one, guys. Like, when I saw it, I wanted this one so badly. It says Bloodlust Artistry Palette. Oh. His packaging, though, guys. Could we, like, give it to his packaging? How beautiful and on point they are. Wow. Wow. Like, look at this. Like, oh my god. Sickening. Oh my god. Oh, look at the velvet. Oh my god. This feels so soft. Look at how beautiful. And that purple is everything. So this one doesn't have a clasp, but it has like this little ball where you just pick it up. And there she is, honey. Like, it covers up my whole face. Look how big this is. Ah! Wow. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Look at the colors. Ah! Pink Magic is beautiful. Oh my god, look at Wet Jewels. Take My Crown. Ooh, Rattle Serpent. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful. I like it. Oh, I want to go into this color right here. Pink Magic. It's so beautiful. Let's like swatch this one. Oh my god. That is pretty. I don't know if you guys could see that. Let me lower the lighting, but look at that. Do you guys see that? Like, oh, it's too light, but look at how beautiful that is. Wow. Wow. Okay, we're gonna go with the Wet Jewel. The one on top is like a baby pink. Ooh, that's so pretty. I don't know if you guys could see that. If it's like, my lighting is maybe a little too light, but oh my god, that's pretty. Ah! Oh my god, guys, I'm like so hyped. I'm super excited, guys. Like, ah! Look at it. I have the Blood Family. Look at, guys. I'm so hyped. I have like the Blood Family. We should do a thumbnail. But I'm super excited, guys. I've been wanting to get these. I'm always like, they're so expensive. Like, I don't know, but yeah, this was like the best Mother's Day gift ever. I'm freaking happy. Like, I'm cheesing. Like, I was even happy. Like, look at the, I want to show you guys like the paper. Look how pretty it is, how it comes. Like, look at that. Like, even the shipping paper is beautiful. Oh, I love it. You have like, it's just so pretty, his shipping. Okay, Beautylish, you came through too. But yeah, babes, this is what we got. We got the Bloodlust. Ah, so beautiful. I love this. It's like, I love just feeling how it feels. It's so like soft. And then we have the Blue Blood, which I am so excited for because, like I said, I love blues. And those colors are just to die for. And then the Blood Sugar, the one that started all of this. Ah! Guys, you guys have to let me know. What do you guys want to see me try? Let me know which one, or should we do like one look, or should we switch it up? Let me know, babes, alright? Oh, I'm so happy, but alright, well, I love you, babes. I'll see you guys next video. Bye.